Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a great day. We have snow outside, so I'm staying in this morning to make you some sweet potatoes, but we call this candy yams. Yes, this is candy yams. I have 3 of the sweet potatoes over here that's been cut up, and you can cut these to your liking. I'm actually like them about that size. But if you want them thicker, you can. It just takes longer to cook. We have a cup of white sugar, a cup of brown sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of vanilla and a tablespoon of cinnamon and a half a stick of unsalted butter. So y'all ready to get this party started? Alrighty. So in our pot here, we have 4 cups of water. Now, if you like your candy yams a little thicker, and besides, potatoes make their own water, you can get away with about maybe a half a cup of water. It all depends on how you like your sweet potatoes. I like a little liquid in mine, so I'm adding 4 cups of water. With this, I'm going to add in all of my ingredients: the sugars, the white, the brown sugar, cinnamon, and our vanilla. We're gonna let that boil, y'all, and then we're gonna add in a half a stick of butter. Give this a stir so we can mix everything together. Normally I would put in everything with the sweet potatoes, but I was watching another YouTuber, and I'll leave his link below as well. He had suggested boiling the liquid first with your ingredients and then adding in the potatoes. So we're gonna try this. I think it'll come out the same way. So let me get this to a boil and I'll come right back to you. Now, it doesn't take long to bring this to a boil. So you wanna gently add in your potatoes. And you do want to peel your potatoes before you cut them up, okay? And then make sure you rinse them off. Now, once we get the potatoes in there, we are going to cover it with a lid and let it slowly simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. And you don't want to take the lid off. It's almost like baking a cake. You don't keep opening the oven door. You just let it cook until it's done. Okay, that's how it looks. Once it's done, I will come back and show you the finished product. We'll be ready to sample it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it actually has been 2 hours. I've had this cooking on low. Let's peep in and see how it looks. They are soft and tender. Look at that. Oh, now what I'm going to do is add another half a stick of butter. If you want to cook this on high, you may do that just as well. I'm just going to place that stick of butter in there and let it dissolve. And then once it dissolves, we're going to come back and plate it up for you and let you sample it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our finished product. Does that not look delicious? I love those juices in there. We're going to have steak with this tonight, so let me let you sample it. Oh, they're so tender. Okay, I gotta use my left hand so you can actually see it. Does that not look delicious? These are good. You know, it's growing up, we used to have mashed sweet potatoes, almost like sweet potato pie. That's how my daddy always made them. These are so good, y'all. And sweet potatoes are healthy for you. Oh my goodness, these are good, y'all. Okay, so don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and family, Leave your comment below. Hit the subscribe button at the top left corner where you see my photo and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, God bless you and have a wonderful day.